Hi, I'm making a video to show you how to restore an antique vintage chalkware statue. He came with some rosaries. Thought I would fix him and show you how I did it. Here's his hand. The armature is still left in his hand, and his other arm has a large chunk out of it. So I started by cleaning him. I tested to make sure his color would stay. Then I cleaned him the best that I could. I needed to make a gun, so I put a piece of paper so I could get the sizing right for his hands. Cleaning up the armature here and rebuilding his hand with some tin foil just to kind of add a little bit of extra to build off of. And then I just started building up the areas that were broken or cracked or had chip paint, and I used plaster mixed with spackling and sculpted the areas that needed to be sculpted and sanded them afterwards. They don't have to be perfect when you're sculpting them because you will sand and you can carve them too. This is how I formed the hand. I actually did quite a few revisions on the hand, but I'm just going to show you kind of the basics of it. This right here is just the start of the sculpting, and now you can see after I have the gun, I'm sanding and then just painting. I put quite a few layers of different color washes on when I was painting, so you can see here just, you know, some little touch-ups, but here I am putting a color wash over the top of the color I already painted because I didn't paint the whole thing. I wanted him to match, and so this is the end of it after I have all the color on and all of the repair done and the gun built. So I hope this is helpful to you if you're doing a repair or refinish on an antique chalkware sculpture. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can find me on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks.